Hi, this is Lynnae with Quick Lane. Here to talk to you about TPMS sensors. Going into the fall months when temperatures start to change, you may notice that your TPMS light's going to come on. It could just be indicating that because the temperature drops, your tire pressure is going to go down. Safest bet is to stop, check tire pressure, make sure that everything's evenly down as far as tire pressure goes, add air as necessary. If you notice that one or more of your tires is a little lower than the rest of them, stop in, we can take a look. We do repairs for tires every day, and we can do repairs for anything that goes in the tread, make recommendation if it can't be fixed as far as any tire replacement goes with it too, and get you taken care of. We see tire repairs needed for everything from nails and screws to teeny tiny staples to, we've had one that came in that had a corn stalk in it that needed repaired. If you happen to notice your tire light come on and it's flashing, could be an actual issue with the tire sensor itself. It could be that the sensor needs to be reprogrammed, or it does sometimes need to be replaced. Over time the battery dies within it, and it's a non-replaceable battery. So we replace the sensors too. We carry universal sensors, so can replace those in any make and model, just the same as we can do for the Ford products.